Hi guys, welcome back to Log Techie. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to create this awesome simple navigation bar with this nice hover effect using only HTML and CSS. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. So I have a folder with HTML file, CSS file, and an image. So let me open my editor. First, I'm going to link my style to the HTML file. So I'll link it right above there. So in the body tag, I'm going to start with the navigation bar. So nav UL, and inside the UL, I'm going to have a list item with an anchor tag. And the first one, it will be called the home. I'm going to copy down. The second one is going to be gallery. Okay, the third one will be blog, and the fourth one is going to be contacts, while the last one will be about. Okay, these are all the elements that I need. So let's preview. Yep. So back here, I'm going to go to the top there. Inside the nav, I'll use the H1 element and use my channel name. Okay, the log will be separated with a span tag that will put the techie in the span. Okay, let's open our CSS file, and in here I'm going to reset all the default margin and padding to 0. And also I'll set the box property, the box sizing property, to border box. Okay, so in the body tag I'm going to give my site a font. So the font family will be sans serif. Okay, let's preview it. You can see all that is working. So next, I'm going to start styling my navigation bar now. As you can see, I have my nav bar there, so I'll grab it direct. Okay, I'm going to start with the navigation bar direct. So I'll use the nav tag direct straight. And first, I'm going to give it a width of 100%. After that, I will give it a height of 60 pixels. And I also give it a padding top of 1 rem and padding left and right of 3 rems. Yeah, that is it. So next, I'm going to go to the body and I'll give my body a background color of somehow light, EF. And here in the nav bar, I'm going to give it a background color of white. Yeah, that is it. So back here, I'm going to do some stuffs. Okay, I'll display it in Flex. I'll justify the content center, and I'm going to I'll justify the content space between, and I will align the item center. Yeah, that is it. So let me increase my padding to 4. Yeah, okay, so it's cool. Now let's work with the logo. We have it there in the H1, so I'm going to target from the nav direct. So it will be nav space H1, and the first thing I would like to do with this is to give it a font size. Okay, and after that I'm going to give it a font weight of bold. Yeah, that is that. It's more than how it is now. So next, I'm going to get the techie that is in that H1 and change the color. So it will be navbar H1 and the span tag. So inside there, I'm going to change the color of the techie to a kind of red color. Yeah, that is what I want. Okay, so let's go back. And we're going to start working on the UL and the LI elements properties. So nav UL LI, and I'm going to display all the list items. I will remove the style to none, and I'll display them as an inline block. In that way, they'll be able to float from the left side. You can see that. Okay, so that's all I need for that. So next, I'm going to be working on the anchor tag in each of the list items. So it will be nav ULLI and A, which is the anchor tag, and we'll open our parentheses. So in here, I'm going to be doing some cool stuff. First, I'm going to change the text decoration to none to remove that line there, and I'll change the color to black. Yeah, let's check it out. You can see that. All right, next let's give it some padding. So padding left and right, top bottom should be 0 pixel and left and right should be 22 pixel. And I'm going to have a font size of 18 pixels, and also I'll give it a font weight of bold. Yeah, you can see that. Oh, one is not working, so let's go back up there. Oh, I write instead of pixel. Okay, now it should work. You can see. So it's not cool. Now let's change the logo to cursor. So back to our H there, we're going to give it a cursor of pointer. That is it. That's all we need. So whenever your mouse comes, it's going to look like a pointer. So back to the editor. Next, we're going to be working on the anchor tag. So we're going on the hover effect whenever your mouse comes to the list item. So it will be nav ULLIA and the A on hover. So on hover, I'll change the color to kind of being red. And that is it. You can see as you hover, you see it, but let's give it the transition. So I'm going to give it a transition of 0.5 second all so that it can control itself. Okay, you can see it comes smoothly and nicely now. So that is all we need for that. So next, I'm going to go to my index.html and I'll give it a background, or I will give it a hero section. And that hero section, we're going to style it here. So the hero section is going to have a weight of 100%, and it will also have a height of 90 VH because I've used some part of the screen top there. And next, I'm going to give it a background image. So background URL inside the, you can see I have my image inside the image folder there. So I'm going to target the image from here. So images/bg.jpg. Okay, and I want to repeat, so I'll set it to no repeats. And after that, I'll define my background size to cover so that the image can show on the entire screen. And I'm going to give it a background position of center as well to show the center. Okay, that is how it works. So this is how we are able to create this awesome navigation bar with nice hover effect. Please subscribe to my channel for more content like this.